Wolfman here again with another short tutorial. This is a Fox 8 update. I used to use Firefox, but I found another way of doing it that's faster, and with a couple of clicks of the button, you'll be right on it and you won't have to type nothing. So today's tutorial is on Fox 8 Cleveland. First you need to install an app called Apatoid TV, and that's the icon. I have a video on that already, so I'm not going to show you how to install that. But after you get it installed, you want to open it. And now, after it's open, you can come in and download anything, but you need to move. You'll always be over here on Discover. You want to move over one, and you want to move down one, and it should be Puffin Browser that you need to install. So I'm going to open that. As you can see, I already have it, and I'm not going to show you how to install it. That's what the icon looks like. Okay, now I'm back at my home menu screen. I'm going to click and open up the icon, the Puffin icon. Okay, now it's open. You always start over here on the start. You want to move over here to the search. You want to click and open that. And you want to type in Fox 8 Live, and make sure there's a space between Fox and the 8. After you do that, you want to hit next, and it'll pop up in a bright white. You want to click on that one, and then you want to click on the very first one. It should say on air live streaming. So you click on that, and there's your Fox 8 Cleveland. And then you want to click here to push play, and down in the corner, after you push the play, down in the corner there'll be a little box. If you click on that, it'll go full screen. And to save this to your bookmarks on your remote, there'll be 3 bars on your remote. Push that button, and then you want to move it down to the star and click it. Okay, and then go back with your arrow key on the remote once, twice, and then you're back. As you can see, it's already there. All you have to do is move down one to your bookmarks, and then move to the right, and right there's your Fox 8 Cleveland, and all you have to do is click it, and you're right there. And then all you have to do again is push play, and then over here in the corner, click that little box, and it'll go full screen. So I hope this new update, Fox 8 update, you'll enjoy more. Please comment and tell me what you think below. And I'll have some more videos coming out very soon. So please check those out. Thanks. Bye.